Welcome to Nature's Finest Beast. Today we explore the woodchip. The woodchip is a very interesting creature and has many unique properties. Here we see its speed and its agility. Here, a common enemy of the woodchip, the dog, attempts to interact with him. The dog makes a fatal mistake and nears the woodchip. Here, the woodchip has found a drink so that he can he managed to quench his thirst. And now he's ready to come in and enter his shelter. He enters his shelter and immediately begins his meal. It is a hearty meal enough to satiate his hunger.
We see the kitten in his favorite shoebox. He comes up close to the camera, investigating, hunting. Here, he's hunting for his prey. He's hiding and jumps out, intending to kill. He's in an adventure in the basement. He swings. He jumps. He lazes around. And now we see him hunting, thinking about his life.